Treat your skin with Dove Restoring Ritual, a beautifully scented body lotion inspired by self-care and beauty rituals practiced in India. Ultra-rich moisturizing formula infused with coconut oil and sweet almond extracts. Deeply moisturizes and softens all skin types, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Can be used as body and hand lotion. Indulgent, creamy and comforting fragrance. Dermatologically tested. Treat your skin with Dove Restoring Ritual Body Lotion, inspired by self-care and beauty rituals from India. This ultra-rich formula, infused with coconut oil and sweet almond extract, softens your skin while deeply moisturizing it. The indulgent, creamy fragrance comforts your senses while your skin is restored and becomes extra soft. This lotion is suitable for all skin types and is dermatologically tested. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. I have a very dry sling, especially on my feet, and after all this years I found this lotion that helped me a lot and made my feet soft and hydrated again, is not thick or oily, which is the best of all.